Okay, I've got all these stained, and I'm putting sealer on it right now. This is still a little tacky. Jump over. You need to speak to chair.
Recording.
W. It's a W and an O. On top of each other.
Oh.
Alright.
What does that say?
4-wheel drive. Let's go to school. Come on.
I didn't brush my hair or teeth.
Well, brush your hair and brush your teeth. Let's go. I'm gonna have you hand those to me as I put these on. Watch it like this. Just do what I do, okay? Put it in the water and you can rinse it. Put it right there. Alright, there you go.
Yeah. There. Souvenirs. And is this plastic?
Yeah, but still be careful because it's old plastic, so it'll break very easily.
Oh.
Put it on our tongue.
she is. The original screws. Now, this sets in here with springs that attach to these. Then the adjustment screws go in here, but I'm missing the clips. And I only have one spring. So I'm gonna have to, I could probably pick up a spring at the hardware store. That would work. But I don't know about these clips. I have to remove these and put some gaskets on the back. I'm waiting for some material. I ordered like a sheet of gasket material that I can cut out shapes. So I'll take these back off and put that on. But I just wanted to kind of test fit them, get an idea what this thing's going to look like. Now these aren't original. I believe these were just added on later for whatever reason. Because I think the original trucks just had the one light right here. So these were just added on later for some reason. And I guess I could have welded those closed and gone with just the one underneath, but I don't know. I figured I'd just leave it how it was, how I got it. So we're gonna put both lights back in, whether they're both operational or not, or one's just for show. That's to be determined. But yeah, I'll head to the hardware store, see if we can find a spring and maybe some clips that might work for that. All right, looks good. Don't mind this. I just have the seat sitting in there. It's not even bolted in because I still got to do carpeting. I just needed to get the seat out of the way because it was taking up space in my house. So I still got to tighten this up, bolt it down, but I'm going to wait till I get the carpet in there. Okay. Then you get the little rubber bits. Little rubber bumpers will hold that nice and snug. Okay, I got new springs, and I got these clips at Ace Hardware, but they're a little bit long, so I need to grind off just about half of this little ramp right here.
Three, two, one.
Lots to do still, like the bumpers, glass, interior,
Where were you?
engine. These are just kind of stuffed in there. I put some tape in the hole and kind of just stuffed them in.
Dad, you have to burn sand to make glass.
All right. So there she is. All right.
Tumbleweed garage.